In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create a new blog post in WordPress using the Divi Builder. First, from the top menu bar, select New and then Post. Once the page loads, the first thing you will want to do is give your post a title. I was going to use Test as my title, but let's use content I have already created. Go to your source document and copy the title. Go back to WordPress and paste the title in the new post. The next step will be to select a category for your new post. If you do not see a good fit for your article, you can create a new category here. Moving along, let's add a featured image to your post. You can either use an existing image in your media library, or you can upload a new image. We'll use a new image by selecting Set Featured Image, then Upload Files, and then search for your new featured image on your local hard drive. Your featured image should always be square and 800 by 800 pixels in size, with a resolution of 72 pixels per inch. Be sure to add a short descriptive text for your alt text tag. Next, we will use the Divi Builder to create a blog post. Select Used Divi Builder. Once the page loads, you'll want to choose the option to clone existing page. This will allow us to use an existing layout rather than building one from scratch. Click on Choose Page. Here you will see I am selecting a previous blog post for my layout. Once you've selected a previous blog post, click on Use this layout. You'll notice the featured image you uploaded previously is already added to the new post. All you will need to do now is replace the existing blog content with your new content. Hover over the content and you will see the Divi toolbars display over the text. To go into edit mode, click on the gear icon on the dark gray toolbar. Now, go back to your source document and copy the text to your clipboard. No need to copy the title as this was done in a previous step. Return to Divi Builder and paste your new content. From here, you can make the necessary adjustments to your content. As you can see, I am reformatting my ordered list. Once you are satisfied with the results, click on the check mark in the lower right-hand corner of the Text Settings dialog box. At this point, you can either save this post as a draft if you're not quite finished with editing the article, or hit Publish to make your new post visible on the front end of the website. This concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.